what the hell were you thinking, dude? But यार ये नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. Hi guys, I'm Pasta and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm really very excited. और अगर मेरे बाल खराब हो रहे हैं, please don't mind it. मैं 5 सेकंड के लिए भी वेट नहीं कर सकती हूँ ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए. So this is my favorite shirt. I picked it out for this video. I'm gonna waste the entire intro saying bullshit stuff like this. Anyways, as you've already read the title, I have already sent the quiz to all my crushes, and this video is actually inspired by Ashna Sule. Video is inspired by her, and the quiz is actually the exact copy of her quiz, as in all the questions word to word. So let's start with the first person who responded. जो सबसे पहले जिन्होंने respond किया. So he was my choreographer. College में जब मैं dance group में थी तब, तो इनका कुछ ऐसा नहीं था कि मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा crush ऐसा नहीं था. अब I have no idea how to explain that feeling. I really apologize. I suck at explaining stuff, dude. But he responded to all my questions. First question, what's your name? I'm not gonna take his name. I'm just gonna tell you his surname, Rawat. Did you know I had a crush on you? He said kinda, but wasn't sure. Okay. If you knew that I liked you, then how were you able to tell? The way you talked to me. Oh my god. Okay. Next question is, did you ever like me? And he said kinda. Okay. Thanks, sir. Rate my attractiveness. And I've asked all of them to be brutally honest. So, let's see. You're cute. I got 10 on 10. Thanks, sir. I should not call him sir, at least abhi, but whatever. Rate my personality 8. What terms are we on currently? We don't talk at all. I don't talk to people, honestly. I don't even talk to my friends. Shilpi बता सकती है. Please Shilpi comment down below कि हमने last time बात कब की है. Any final words you wanna say to my YouTube viewers? You are so welcome to her channel. Enjoy her channel. Do look out for more content, and there are a lot of full stops. So thank you, sir, for helping me out with this video. Now on to the next person, and this actually was my ex-boyfriend before Ishu, and we dated for 2 years, and I'm not gonna take his name, obviously. Let's just read his answers. I know I'm gonna be very disappointed with this person's answer, but let's read it. If you're watching it, please don't get offended. Please, you know how I am. Anyways, that was very sweet of you to respond to me. Okay, first question. What's your name? Obviously, I'm not gonna tell you, so just a little sneak peek. AJ. Did you know I had a crush on you? And he's like, it was obvious. Flatter yourself, person. Next question में answer है. Question is, if you knew that I liked you, then how were you able to tell? And he wrote आँखों आँखों में. I think that sums up everything. कि I'm a completely different person, and I used to be, oh my god, I can't with his answers. Next question, did you ever like me? Oh my god, he said kinda. He's actually responded with kinda because we dated for 2 freaking years, dude. The least you could have done is said yes. Oh yaar. This sucks. I'm telling you, I hate his answers. Rate my attractiveness. He said, oh my god. He said 8. ठीक है. Rate my personality, and he said 9. Okay. What terms are we currently on? 3. Yeah. So I don't know. When do we even talk? Last week we spoke in like 6 months ago, I think. But ठीक है यार. You're very generous with terms are we currently on rather than my attractiveness. Although I was asking them to be brutally honest, and look how I'm reacting. I can't. Oh my god. Next and the last one is, any final words you want to say to my YouTube viewers? Wishing you luck and success. अरे viewers को बोलना था यार, मुझे थोड़ी. Anyways, on to the next person. I even sent this quiz to Ishu, but he was too proud to answer all the questions. I'm kidding. He did not have time, and I wanted to shoot this video jaldi se. He was very sweet. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. We're still on talking terms. Please, no hate for him. Oh my god. I'm gonna act like a 16-year-old for a few minutes now. So मेरा पैर सो गया है पर मैं उठना नहीं चाहती हूँ अभी. So this person, I'm gonna obviously take his name. This is the person I had a huge crush on for like 1 or 2 years. Oh my god, when I look back, I'm like, काश मैंने कुछ बोल ही दिया होता तो मुझे पता तो चलता कि इंसान है कैसा, rather than just stalking him and just trying to have a conversation and trying to find mutual friends. Maybe I could have done anything better, but I think this is the only person जिस पे मेरे को मेरी लाइफ में कभी like बड़ा वाला क्रश हुआ है. मेरी मम्मी को तक पता था कि ये कहाँ रहता है, कौन है, कौन सी बाइक चलाता है, सब पता था मेरी मम्मी को. And she still knows everything about him. His name is Amit Singh. So the second question is, did you know I had a crush on you? Kinda, but wasn't sure. Dude, you had no idea. How can you even say kinda? Next question. If you knew that I liked you, how were you able to tell? पहली बात तो he had no idea that I liked him. That we were not on talking terms, but sometimes I think we had only eye contacts. Oh yeah. We live really, really close. We're literally neighbors, but he had no idea कि मैं कहाँ रहती थी क्योंकि I'm the only stalker जिसे सब पता था उसके बारे में. ठीक है, he used to write I have no idea अब कौन सी बाइक है, but उसके बाद पहले R15 थी. मैं सिर्फ आवाज से बाहर भाग पहुंचती थी कि भाई आ गया. Oh my god, I'm embarrassing myself in front of so many people, but what can I say? That's who I am. Next question, did you ever like me? He's like kinda. Wow, kinda. मेरे को हो गया, मैं खुश हूँ. Kinda. He used to like me. अगर उस टाइम पता चलता तो मैं तो हवा में उड़ रही होती. अभी भी मैं हवा में उड़ रही हूँ, मैं बहुत हवा में उड़ रही हूँ. Kinda, dude. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Rate my attractiveness. He said you're cute. Full on 10. Rate my personality. Full on 10. Cool. I have no idea how to respond. मेरा पैर सो गया है. What terms are we on currently? We don't talk at all. मैंने सिर्फ इस वीडियो के लिए इसे टेक्स्ट किया था. That's all. Any final words you wanna say to my YouTube viewers? काफी लंबा चौड़ा लिखा है. Guys, she used to be very cute and shy kind of girl when I saw her in my school back in 2011 and 12. No, not in 2011. Oh yeah, in 2011 and 12. But we never talked to each other or we were not friends, but now I'm really happy to see her hard work and the level she has achieved. That's super. So whoever was watching this video, do support, like, share and subscribe to her channel on YouTube, and yeah, follow her on Instagram as well. The next person is Rishabh Mehra. I used to call him my best buddy or whatever, and my best friend kinda had a crush on him. Did you know I had a crush on you? And he's like, yes, I never told you, dude. वैसे I think I did. Oh my god. Rishabh Mehra, please comment down below if you remember us playing Chupan Chupai and everything. No, I did not hug him. I think I held his hand. और मैं 2 दिन तक ऐसे थी कि वो मैंने क्या करा है. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself after this video. So I think ठीक है, फिर तेरे को पता था यार, I had a crush on you. If you knew that I liked you, then how were you able to tell? I will give you a surprise. See, मेरे जितने लोग हैं ना जो पुराने वाले हैं, उन सब के रिस्पॉन्स से ही पता चल जाएगा कि भाई मैं ये I will give you a surprise. What is this, Rishabh? बाकी अभी तो इस पॉइंट पे I think he's a really good friend of mine. Did you ever like me? And he said yes. He said yes. Rate my attractiveness. He said 9. Rate my personality. He said 8. Okay. What terms are we currently on? 6. I think that's fair. Any final words you want to say to my YouTube viewers? Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. I really appreciate you guys doing all this promo for me. Okay, now on to the last person. So he's also my current crush. Oh my god, I am really embarrassed. I'm gonna tell you his name. He is also he actually is a model and a fashion influencer on Instagram. I follow him too. Go follow him. Huge shout out to this person. His name is Prashant. Did you know I had a crush on you? No clue, because I never told anyone and I did not even send him hi. तो कैसे पता चलेगा यार? मैं बताती ही नहीं हूँ यहाँ, मैं 7 साल तक नहीं बताई हूँ कि मेरे को क्रश है. इस वीडियो के चक्कर में मेरी सारी पोल खुली है. कहाँ से बताती मैं? Anyways, this is a recent crush. So, if you knew that I liked you, then how were you able to tell? कहता nope. Obviously, girls usually care about this one thing, not letting him know in capital words, and until they are pretty much sure. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Next question. Did you ever like me? And he's like, kinda. अगर yes बोला होता ना तो मैं rate my attractiveness. He said 8. ठीक है यार, brutally honest. I'm kidding, it's fine. Rate my personality 10. Oh my god, thanks dude. Thanks. What terms are we currently on? 1, we don't talk at all. We've had a conversation maybe like 2 or 3 times. वो भी 3-4 text की, बस इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. So, any final words you want to say to my YouTube viewers? You're distinctive in this common place. क्या मैं शर्मा सकती हूँ? भाई साहब कितनी प्यारी बात है यार. Thank you so much Prashant for such nice words and thank you so much for helping me out. Everyone who actually sent me all their responses. I'm sorry if this video was embarrassing for you because it was for me, but that's how I am. I really am sorry. Also, Ishu, if you're watching this video, यार भेज देता यार. Anyways, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So, इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ और embarrassing करूँ, bye. Really excited. मेरे को फिर से करना चाहिए. ये बहुत ही shitty था. My best friend, I'm not gonna take your name, but if you're watching this video, then he liked me, bitch. Shut up, भैया. पैर actually में सो चुका है. मेरे को पता भी, मेरे को feel नहीं हो रहा है मेरा पैर. I'm so sorry if you're watching this video. I really am sorry, sir.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, no. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing.